Opus Clip versus Video. Which AI clip generator is better? Choosing the right AI clip generator can transform how you create engaging videos without wasting time on manual editing. Opus Clip and Video. Both offer unique features for fast clip creation. Opus Clip and Video. Are AI-powered tools designed to create short video clips quickly. The core difference lies in their editing focus. Opus Clip emphasizes automated highlight detection, while Video offers customizable templates and advanced trimming options. Opus Clip is an AI clip generator that automatically identifies the most engaging moments in your videos and creates short highlight reels. It works by analyzing visual and audio cues to detect key scenes, eliminating the need for manual review. Its strengths include quick turnaround, ease of use, and compatibility with various video formats. Opus Clip is ideal for content creators and marketers who want to repurpose long videos into social media ready clips without spending hours editing. However, it has some limitations in customization. Users may find fewer options for fine-tuning clip length or style. The tool excels in speed and simplicity, but may not satisfy those seeking full control over the editing process. Video. Is an AI-driven clip generator focused on delivering customizable video snippets through templates and smart trimming features. It analyzes your video content to suggest clips, but also allows users to adjust timing, add captions, and choose from various styles. This flexibility makes Video suitable for creators who want more control over the final output while still benefiting from AI automation. Its strengths include detailed customization, multi-platform export options, and support for captions and branding. On the downside, Video may require a slightly longer setup time compared to fully automatic tools. It is best for users who want AI assistance combined with manual editing capabilities to tailor clips for different audiences or platforms. Comparing Opus Clip and Video, highlights a trade-off between automation and customization. Opus Clip is perfect for quick, hands-off highlight generation, ideal for creators needing fast social media clips without detailed edits. Video offers more editing flexibility, allowing users to refine clips, add captions, and apply branding, which suits marketers and professionals aiming for polished platform-specific content. If speed and simplicity are priorities, Opus Clip wins. For tailored branded clips with manual adjustments, Video is preferable. Both tools support multiple video formats and AI analysis, but cater to different user needs depending on control versus convenience. Choose Opus Clip if you want fast, fully automated clip creation with minimal effort, perfect for repurposing content quickly for social media. Video is the better choice if you need customizable clips with detailed edits, captions, and branding options. It offers a balance of AI assistance and manual control, making it ideal for creators focused on polished, audience-specific video content. Pick based on your editing needs.